Thegia ya anyiti itemi sekta-ini ya githomo guiki ihoya makienda kalenda ya mathomo ya mwaka wa 2022 oro ũndũ ũmwe na tariki cia igeranio iria itanyĩtwo muthia-ini wa mwaka ũyũ gucenjio. Minister wa githomo George Magoha augite gutiri ũndũ ũgucenjia. Are o ciumia inyatu mbere ya thukuru kuhingwo tamu ya keri. Magoha augite arutwo thukuru-ini nyingi nimaharirikite kuigana gugeka kigeranio giki.
Everybody seems to be worried that we should extend time and what have you. In my assessment, I have noticed that a large number of schools have already completed the syllabus, and all that they need to do as they revise is to apply the knowledge that they are revising, so that we don't just go through the syllabus again like a machine. And I think all will be well. Those who are so afraid that the time is going to be short, I think we wait and cross the bridge when we get there.
Magoha ekwaragia thukuru-ini wa anake wa muhuri mushiri mwena wa Njiro kuria arugoririe irathi cia CBC mehariri-ini makwamukira arutwo thukuru-ini cia junior secondary mwaka ukite kuria ahinyiriirie aciari kuhuthira ihinda riri guteithiriria arutwo a grade ya 6 gucagura thukuru.
You must listen to your children because sometimes they are very intelligent, but you still give them wisdom so that you agree what you want to do. If a child insists on only selecting very, very top schools at this time, it takes a day or two for you to tell the child, no, this is not necessary for now. You could wait for another 3 years when you can. Do you understand what I mean? So it's not just about selection, it requires time.
Mihango ya gucagura thukuru yambiririe tariki 15 mweri uyu igitanywo gutiriho muthia-ini wa mweri uyu ona gutuika ministry ya githomo yugite yaya kuongerera ihinda riri niguo kuhekanya arutwo othe gucagura thukuru.
And Kenyans, when you want to identify a Kenyan, you will wait and see. Right now they are doing, but you know what is going to happen. There will be a time when they are going to rush, and I can almost certainly tell you that we'll sit down with my team and decide whether it is important to add some more time, because this is so critical. This is the first time this is happening.
Makiria ya thukuru 2,300 cia muingi nicio iri na irathi cia kwamukira arutwo mwaka ukite. Riri arugamiriri a thukuru cia andu kiumbe aria mahetwo marua makwambiriria thukuru cia junior secondary mathiete na mbere na mehariria maya. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Waduru.